Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change a battery on your Citroen key fob. This is from a 2021 Citroen C3. It's very easy to do. You will need a little flathead screwdriver, or you can use your nail, but it's easier with the screwdriver. So what we're going to do is the opposite side to the buttons, we have this bit here. The battery's underneath here. So get your screwdriver and just ease it in here or here. So you're going to be pushing it in there like so, or there. And you're going to get it, and it feels like you're going to break it, but if you get your fingers there and just lift it up like that, it will pop out there. And this is your battery here. It's a CR2032. And to take it out, we're just going to be using our finger, we're going to be putting pressure down and this way, and it will just pop out from the little clips here. So get your finger, put it there, and you can now see that the battery wants to pop out there. So you can use your nail or get your screwdriver and just take it out like so. And this is your battery here. Make sure you dispose of that safely. Don't let any kids near it because it can harm them. So once you've got your replacement battery, CR2032, it might not be called a CR. You can get DL2032. That just means Duracell. Different manufacturers will have a different identification, but they will all be 2032. So when you put this one in here, you're going to be putting it in with the positive side up. That's the negative side, so positive side up. And you're going to be placing it in like so, underneath that little lip there. And you're going to be pushing it down until it goes into place just under those two clips. And then we're going to be putting in this one here like that. Just rest it on here and you're going to be just pushing it home. And that is it. Your key should now be working. So let's give it a try. See if it's still working. There we go. So you can hear now that it's working. Thanks for watching.